Now, your first statement to Officer, I think it's Birch, on the morning of the 26th. When he's asking you about what happened, if I have this right, you don't explain at all to him as to how you approached Mr. Rittenhouse with your gun, correct?
Am I able to? I don't know. I don't remember specifically on that document.
Okay.
No.
In fact, 6 hours after you had been shot, you had a lawyer, right?
Correct.
Okay. And you wanted to stop the interview with the police because you had a lawyer, right?
That is correct.
And this is a civil lawyer, right?
That is one thing that she represents, yes.
Okay. And she's in court today, right?
Yes, she is.
Okay. And I know this wasn't addressed, but you have I'm going to show you Exhibit 62. Show you what has been marked as exhibit number 62. This is a notice of claim. Is that right?
That is correct.
Okay. Filed on your behalf by your lawyer, right?
That is correct, yes.
Making a notice or telling, among others, the city and county of Kenosha that you would like $10 million. True?
That is correct.
Did you read this?
I did.
So are you aware in this document, you never mentioned that you actually possessed a firearm? You know that?
That is correct.
You left that part out, right?
That is correct.
Judge, I would move 62.
Is there objection?
No.
Received.
You then had, shortly thereafter, I want to say in October, I'm going to show you what is Exhibit 63. You have now filed a lawsuit in federal court. Is that right?
That is correct.
Did you read that?
Yes, I did.
Okay. In that document, you again failed to mention that you possessed a firearm. Is that right?
That is correct.
So you, in these documents that you are filing with courts, you are leaving out the fact that you had possessed a firearm when you were shot, right?
That is correct.
Okay. And this is, so to be fair, this is your testimony today, and how this case turns out has an impact on your ability to try to collect your $10 million, right?
That is correct.
So if he's convicted, if Mr. Rittenhouse is convicted, your chance of getting $10 million is better, right?
I'm not entirely sure how that plays out.
Haven't had any conversations with your lawyer about
Well,
that?
you're not going to ask about conversations with his lawyer.
Okay, fair enough. You're aware that if Mr. Rittenhouse is convicted, your chances of getting the $10 million are better?
I'm not objecting. This has been asked and answered, and I don't think he's got a basis to answer that.
Judge,
Well, I sustain on the first ground.
I would move 63.
Objection?
No.
Received.